Hey guys, we're here at PRI with Greg Fornelli, owner of SRI and Stock Car Steel. How are you doing this weekend?
Yeah, I'm doing great. It's great to be back. You know, we took a year off, and it was a lonely year. I really like this show. I love this show. I love the people. I love the energy. I love seeing all the stuff. So it's really good to be back.
That's awesome. And so you guys are here every year, obviously, except for last year with the pandemic and everything going on. But we're back. We're here. We got a lot of products, and we want you to buy them.
Yes,
we want you to
that's
check
right.
them out. We got some great sales guys, and everybody that will help you out is at SRI.
Yeah, you know, I'll be honest with you. It is my staff that separates us from every other company out there. And we've got people from the big, box stores and the big e-commerce part stores out there that their salesmen call our guys all the time just to ask them questions, and my salesmen oblige and answer them. But it really is our staff that sets us apart. We're more of a professional race distribution team. We kind of specialize in all the top series, and that's kind of where we like it. We kind of like being on top of that pyramid. And so yeah, but we couldn't be up there if it wasn't for our staff. So yeah.
They're awesome, and I love hanging out with them, and it's a great time. And Greg over here let me smooch in on his
Heck
dinner the
yeah.
other night.
Heck yeah.
Call me the dirt track girl of
That's right.
the racetrack.
That's right.
So I thank you for that, and
Sure.
I thank you for everything you have done for me, and all my friends and SRI, and obviously Randy Keene, Sasha, everybody's
Yeah.
great here.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you.
Sure, we love having you, and that's another thing I love about the PRI show is the dinners. It's a place where I can get all my friends and customers and vendors and go out and have big dinners, have a big time. So yeah, it was great having you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. We're here at PRI, and we're going to have a great rest of the weekend.
Love it. Thank you very much, you guys.
Thank you.